Latest score for the market actually, so just sub that 99.50 odd mark. That's where the Nifty is holding, and all indices actually at the moment sitting very, very quiet. Ashwani, Gujral and Nitesh Thakkar join in for a quick tech check this afternoon. Ashwani, first to you. Looks unlikely now that any further build-up in positions right ahead of the weekend. So should one just look at their strategy now for Monday?
Well, what's happening is that in the last, 5 to 10 minutes, there is clear shorting which is happening on the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty futures. The premium has almost vanished. So it's like, people are preparing for the North Korean, whatever day they have. So chances are that in case, particularly, Bank Nifty is precariously poised. If 24,300 gets taken out, then, you could have a, particularly, Bank Nifty is precariously poised. If 24,300 gets taken out, then, you could have a further fall right down to the 50-day moving average of 24,150, 200. So that way, I think, as we go into the close, Dow futures are now down 70 points. So going into the weekend, people have a uneasy feel, and that will probably put pressure on the market on the downside.
All right, Ashwani, but you've got some stocks for us as well.
See, Glenmark is a sell with a stop of 590, target of 565. Kotak Mahindra is a buy with a stop of 996, target of 1040. And Ashok Leyland is a buy with a stop of 112, target of 124.
Ashwani, there's a stock from the mid-cap space, Gujral Shova. It's not moved actually too much in the last few years. Now, in this week itself, it's had a good run. I'll just request my director to pull up the stock. Gujral Shova is the stock that we're talking about. Is it looking good for more? I mean, even as we speak, it's moved virtually to the high point of the day, or do you think it's done its run?
See, generally these stocks move on, corporate action. So if there is some sort of corporate action that's coming, okay, then, sometimes these moves continue. But overall, just technically above 250, I think another $100 right up to 350 could be possible.
Okay. Nitesh, you have anyways chosen not to play on the index level. So individually, are there any fresh ideas for the afternoon?
Yeah, I think on the stock side, my sense is that we could trade on the with some kind of long bias. I think I have two buy calls. I have three buy calls. I have a buy on Ashok Leyland, which is clearly showing momentum. That's a buy with a stop at 113 for targets of 124. Also buy on Torrent Power with a stop at 219 for targets of 238. And Britannia is making a fresh high. The FMCG pack still is showing some momentum. So buy with a stop below 42.50 for targets close to about 4,500.
Okay, all right. Thanks so much for that, Ashwani, as well as Nitesh, for stopping by and, in fact, giving us all those details. Well, I think we have rates coming in from the European markets. Didn't look too good. That's what's resulted in the mid-cap index moving in the red. So let's get the European markets, numbers up for you on the screen. They're down between around 2/10 to around 0.5% approximately. For our own markets, well, the Nifty is as flat as can be. So we've done a quick U-turn of sorts. Pull up the intraday chart. You'll see the Nifty is now up only around 5 points. The mid-cap index, by the way, has moved into the green. So not good news coming in from there, but really, there are a lot of stocks in the mid-cap space that are looking good. You can question some of their pedigree, really, but just take a look at some stocks. Ujas Energy, that stock, in fact, for the year is down close to around 45%. That one spikes up as we speak. Radico Khaitan as well, we spotted it earlier. Now we have Ronit who's telling us that stock is really running very, very hard, so keep an eye out on that one. And select names like the JBM Autos of the world, that stock as well, moving higher as we speak. So keep your eye out on the screen, though the headline index is as flat, but we have quite a few stocks in the mid-cap space as well that are looking quite good. But I think on that note, then I think we'll slip into a short break. You come back and we'll get a candid interview with the former RBI Governor, Raghuram Rajan.